Welcome, my dear friends, to Beautiful Rose Garden, where every leaf tells a quiet story, and every petal holds a little piece of life's miracle. Here we don't just grow roses, we grow peace, joy, and a little beauty for the soul. Today, I want to share with you a gentle, completely natural way to root any rose cutting without spending a single penny. If you enjoy simple gardening tips like this, please consider subscribing or leaving a comment about your own experience. I love hearing from you. Now, let's begin our little journey together. Step 1. Choose your rose branch. Pick a rose you truly love. A healthy branch about 15 centimeters long works best. Cut off all the leaves from the bottom half of the stem. This way, the branch can focus its strength on growing new roots. Cut the base of the branch at a 45-degree angle. This slanted cut helps the branch take in nutrients easily and prevents water from sitting at the base. Step 2. Garlic rub. Take a fresh garlic clove and gently rub it on the cut end of your rose stem. Garlic naturally cleanses the surface and helps wake the branch for rooting. Step 3. Banana peel and rice water. Peel a ripe banana. And cut the skin into small pieces. Banana peel is full of potassium, phosphorus, and other vitamins that roots love. Place the banana peel pieces into a glass cup. Add 3 tablespoons of rice, then pour in about 200 milliliters of clean water. Stir well. This mixture is like a gentle natural soup for young roots. Soak your rose branch in this water for 10 minutes. Step 4. Garlic and coffee grounds boost by zest. While the branch is soaking, take 1 fresh clove of garlic and chop it into small pieces. Place the chopped garlic into a glass cup. Add 100 milliliters of clean water. Then stir in 1 tablespoon of used coffee grounds. This natural blend helps protect your cutting from harmful bacteria while giving it an organic boost for rooting. Step 5. Banana stem support. Cut 1/3 of a fresh banana, taking the middle section. Insert the rose cutting into the soft banana flesh, then bury both the banana piece and the stem into clean, moist sand in a cup. Step 6. Nutrient watering. Now take the liquid from your banana peels rice mixture and combine it with the garlic coffee blend. Strain the mixture into a clean glass. After planting the rose cutting into the sand, slowly pour this nutrient-rich solution over the sand, letting it soak gently to feed the cutting. Step 7. Create a mini greenhouse. Cover the cup with a larger cup or a clear bottle, but leave small air holes. This will keep the air humid and warm, perfect for the cutting to start rooting. Place your little greenhouse in a cool, bright spot, but out of direct sunlight. Step 8. Care and patience. Every 2 or 3 days, check the sand. If it feels dry, mist it lightly with clean water. On hot days, open the cover for a couple of hours in the morning to let in fresh air. Step 9. Watch the magic. After 2 to 4 weeks, you may see tiny green buds appearing where old leaves once grew. This is the first sign of life. If you gently check the base, you may see thin, white roots beginning to cling to the sand.
Dạ, ở đâu ra đây?
Step 10. Transplant to a bigger home. Once the roots are strong and the shoots are growing well, move your new rose plant to a larger pot with loose, well-drained soil. You can mix in compost or humus to keep the soil rich and healthy. Thank you, my dear friends, for joining me on this gentle journey of growing roses. Remember, in gardening, as in life, a little love and patience as every day will bring beautiful results. If you enjoyed this, please like the video, subscribe, and share it with someone who loves roses as much as you do. May your garden always be full of life and your days full of simple joy.